Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to order your Zilch card step by step. First, download the Zilch app on your phone. You can find it in the App Store on iPhone or Google Play on Android. After you finish signing up, log into your account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the account section in the app. This is usually found by tapping on your profile or the menu icon. Take your time to look around and get familiar with the app interface. In the account section, look for the option that says Order Physical Card. This option appears as a feature you can use. Tap on the Order Physical Card button and follow the steps shown on the screen. The app will guide you through the process, and your order will be submitted. When your card arrives, open the Zilch app again. You will need to activate the card before you can use it. Follow the instructions in the app to complete the activation. Once activated, your Zilch card works like your virtual card. You can use it for online. Thanks for watching.